Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and you're cooking with me, where I make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we got some gyro meat right here. We're going to be making gyros today. One of the best gyros on YouTube. Alright, we have some onion sliced up. We have some sports peppers. We have some dill seasoning. We have some sour cream. We have pita bread, of course. We have some beef tomatoes. We have some cucumbers sliced up and some romaine lettuce. And we're going to be putting that together. Okay, so stay tuned in. I'll see you over there. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to go ahead and get started with this. Turn on my stove, which I should have been undid already. I'll probably put this on medium, yeah, just medium low. We're going to let that cook up. We're going to go ahead, get some butter. Okay, we're going to put some little butter on there. So I'm going to go ahead and let this stuff heat up. Okay guys, I'm back. So the butter is heating up. I'm going to go ahead and get started on these pitas. Probably put about 3 of them on there at a time, maybe. Or maybe 2. Yeah, about 2. So we just start out with these 2. Yeah. Gonna let that go ahead and cook and brown up, and I'll show you how those gonna look. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just flipped this. Flip it again. Alright, we're just gonna get that browned up a little bit. Take a little spray butter. So this is going to be the side that the meat is going to go in. We're going to take this right here. We're going to fry those up, and we're going to put those in the center. So we want to brown the back side of it. See that? That's what we want to brown. But these are restaurant quality gyros. I can guarantee you that. Gyros, heroes, however you want to pronounce it. Everybody's pronounced it differently, so I don't know what the big fuss is about that. Everybody know what it is, so I don't know. Okay, that's getting brown like that. You see how that is? That's how I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this one. Press down on it, see if I can get it brown evenly on it. All the way brown. So I'm going to go ahead and finish browning up these, and I'll meet you back at the station. I'll be back. Okay guys, before we go ahead and start frying up the meat, I just want to show you this these pita bread, how they turned out. So you want to brown like this, okay? See how brown those are? That's how you want them, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get the cracking on this meat, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So we're going to go ahead and start putting this meat on here. Turn it down a little bit. I don't know if anybody wants some raw meat, but I'm a brown mine. I ain't just warming mine up, I'm brown mine. So you can do it however you want to do yours, but today I'm browning mine. Alright. So we're gonna put 3 of them a piece on each one. Alright. Take a look, see how brown it's getting? Okay, we're gonna brown it a little bit more. If I can get this mother to act right. Alright. This side cooks a little bit faster than the other side, so bear with me. I just want to show you how brown. Turn it back up on medium. Show you how brown I want it to be, and then I'll finish up here and I'll meet you at the table. Yeah, no, that's pretty. I like that. That's cool. Alright, over. And it's about brown as I want those to be, right there. See if I can zoom up a little bit. See that? That's how brown you want it. Alright, I'm going to finish up here and I'll meet you at the table. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this sauce. I'm going to take us to 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Alright. This is like a teaspoon of dill. We're going to sprinkle that in there. Half of it, or mostly all of it. Stir that up, see how it looks. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. Let me give it a taste. Oh yeah, alright, that tastes real good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put together our gyro together. Alright, we're gonna start with our meat. Where my tongue is at. Going with 3 of them on there, like so. Put on there however you want to put it on there. Spread it out or whatever if you want to. This is how I'm going to put mine on there, because I want to bite a piece of that in every bite. So we're going to fold it or whatever the case may be. Okay? Fold it like that. So go ahead and readjust this. We want it to fold right. So right about right there. Yeah. Whatever. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and go with our tomatoes. Right there. 2 tomatoes. Or maybe I should have put the lettuce on first. Told you I just put stuff together. I don't have a certain recipe to doing stuff, so we're going with our lettuce. Then we do our tomatoes. Put our tomatoes in there. Seems a little bit better, don't it? Alright, we're going to go with some onions. Throw a few onions in there. like that. Alright. Then we're going to go in with our sports pepper. We're going to put 3 of those in there. These not that hot, but they got a little spice to it. Alright. Then we're going to do what I like to do all the time. I put a little, if you have some red wine vinegar, that work too. So I'm going to drizzle a little apple cider vinegar on it, on this lettuce, just to give it a little zingy taste to it. I'm out of red wine vinegar, so that's why I'm using that. Okay, we're going to go in with a dust of celery salt right here. Some celery salt. I'm just going to dust it a little bit, not a lot. Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to go in with a couple of our cucumbers. We're going to put our sauce on first. So we put our sauce in there. Man, this smells amazing. Take us about 4 of these cucumbers. Or 5. And there we have it. Okay. Take you a wooden stick, skewer, or whatever you want to call it. Put it in there like so. Alright. So we'll sit that over there. Alright. One more time. Hold on. I'm going to try to zoom in on this one so you guys can see a little bit better. Take us about 3 pieces of meat. Sit them bad boys in the middle like so. Alright. We're going to go with our lettuce. That in there. Like that. Then we're going to go with our tomatoes. 2 slices of halves. There. We're going to go with some onions. Okay. Put one more in there. Alright, we're going to go with sports peppers. Alright, we're going to go in with our sauce. Probably about 3 dollops. Alright. Then we're going to get our cucumbers. Sit them bad boys on there. And that's it. Fold it up like so. That's what you got. That look good? You want to take us a bite? Oh. Okay. Take us a stick. Put it over here to the side. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And I'll be back. Okay guys, there he is. One of the best gyros on YouTube. So if you guys new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment to this channel. Where Veldar will be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.